Guess what, we're going to start doing some vlogging, and so I'm here at my mom and dad's place. You may recognize the kitchen behind me, and we're just getting ready to do another recipe video, some other stuff, but we're going to start doing some vlogging so you can kind of get some behind the scenes of what we do every week to come up with some recipes, share our family recipes with you. And so yeah, welcome to our vlog. Vlogging.
What?
Vlogging.
It's vlogging. No B-L-O-G you're saying?
That's one, but I'm saying vlogging, which with a V, which is the same thing.
Vlogging?
Yes.
I've never heard of that. You've heard of vlogging?
No, I thought it was
I'm telling you, Lord, let me die.
One love, sister.
Yeah.
One love.
Oh, this is Auntie Madge. Another amazing Jamaican.
Oh, yeah.
And so I just want to introduce you to Auntie Madge. Maybe Auntie Madge, you'll make one of your favorite recipes for everybody.
Love to one day.
Okay.
When I know what is the favorite.
Okay, so we'll work on that, everybody. So for now, Mom's intently looking at her computer, but we're going to start making something soon, and we'll let you know what we're working on today, and we'll go from there. Mom, smile.
I can't smile. My face is stiff from
what?
Whatever, I don't know.
Lack of sleep.
Okay.
I think I need to go get a facial.
You could know.
You can do that. That's
A
fine.
facial.
Oh, yes.
So
Yes.
I know I need to go do it myself. Need a little
This is not you could know.
pluck in here and there.
Oh, really? Oh, you
No,
look beautiful.
really. Whenever you lose hormones, that's what happened to you, my dear. So
Okay.
look forward to it.
Okay, I look forward to it.
Not eagerly, but
Yes.
Oh, dear.
And then there's the man of the house coming back over to the dining area.
Tired.
Tired.
What's here?
Getting ready to shoot a video about the 10 most important ingredients for Jamaican cooking, and you can see what we'll be talking about, what Mom will be talking about, and she has a special guest, which is Auntie Madge. Right, Mom?
Yes.
And so we're going to talk in a few minutes once Auntie Madge is finished with her tea, and this will be fun, right, Mom?
I hope so.
Go.
A lot of Jamaicans think it's a no-no to use dry thyme. It must be fresh. I don't care as long as the flavor is there. Okay.
Okay, what's next?
I think we should
yeah.
talk.
So Auntie Madge is getting ready to leave.
Yes.
So now are we gonna still do another recipe, Mom?
Yeah, since you're insisting.
It's not that I'm insisting.
Yes,
You said that we were gonna do it, and that this is what the problem is. See that TV? Mom wants to get back to watching her tennis.
Yes, she's missing her tennis. And that is hard.
The guy win the second set. Oh gosh. Sorry to have to go in the third.
So Auntie Madge is leaving now. Thank you, Auntie
Bye.
Madge.
Thank you, and bye. Have fun.
Thanks. Next time we're gonna come up to your house and start cooking up a storm.
All right.
There you go. That's our first vlog, the end of our first vlog. And if you like it and you want us to do more vlogging, make sure to say so in the comments below. And if you're coming to our channel for the first time and you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Now we're off to make another recipe for you guys. So have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye.